Now for us to know more about article a, I'm going to give you an exercise. Copy it in your exercise book and you will answer the questions according to the instructions given. Okay, now the exercise is here, question 1 up to question 5. Remember, you are going to answer the questions according to the instructions. Now the instructions are, use a to fill in the blanks. So you are going to use a to fill in the blank spaces from question 1 up to the last question. Now question 1, the sentence reads, Mrs. Singore bought dash phone. So you are going to fill in the blank. Question 2, Achesa has dash sister-in-law. Question 3, Nina gave her watch to dash friend. Number 4, he has dash new watch. And lastly, Mwendwa is dash doctor. So fill in the blank spaces correctly. Go through your work after answering it. Till next time, I have been Teacher Purity.